Hello all, welcome back. This is Christabel Diana from Trinity Software. In this video, let us see how to remove duplicates from a list in Python. A Python list is a built-in data structure to store a collection of items. List is an ordered group of elements and list elements can be of different data type. List contains items separated by commas and it is enclosed within square brackets. Why should we remove duplicates from a list? Duplicates in a list can take up unnecessary space and decrease the performance. So by removing the duplicates, we can make the data more accurate for better analysis. Let us see the various ways of removing duplicates from a list in Python. The easiest method is using set data structure. Python set object is a data structure that is both unordered and unindexed. Set stores collection of unique items in Python, unlike list. So it cannot store duplicate values. This is a list which contains duplicate elements. So 5, 2, then 3, 8 is repeated. To convert this list to set by using set of L1. After converting this to set, the duplicates will be removed. Then you can convert that back to list. So list of set of L1. Let me store this in a variable called L2 and we can print L2, that is after removing duplicates. So let us execute it now. This is the original list with the duplicates. Here after removing the duplicates, we get the unique elements. The drawback with this approach is that the ordering of the elements is lost. This order is not preserved using set method. So let us move on to the next method. So in order to keep order or preserve the order while removing the duplicates from the list in Python, the easiest or the naive method is the for loop. Okay, create a new empty list L2 and then iterate over each and every element in the original list L1 and check a condition if I not in L2. If it is not already present in L2, then you can append that element to the list L2. So L2 dot append of I. Okay, so in this way, the list L2 will contain only the unique elements and the order is also preserved. So let's execute. So when you are using for loop, after removing the duplicates, here duplicates are removed as well as the order is also preserved. We can also make use of list comprehension. So here we are going to create a list. Again, L2 is equal to an empty list. Then list comprehension is that resultant will be a list and you can give the condition here for I in L1 if I not in L2. Okay, whatever you have done in the for loop, the same thing is done in the single line. So it iterates through the original list and adds each unique element to the new list. So using list comprehension, we get the same output as that of using the for loop. Now when you compare between this for loop and list comprehensions are almost always faster than the for loops when performing these operations. And also we can remove the duplicates from list of list as well as list of dictionaries in Python. Okay, that can be performed using both list comprehension as well as using for loop. Now let us see an example of list and duplicates are removed using list comprehension alone. Okay, here we have a list of list. There are duplicate elements. This is a duplicate and 3 is a duplicate element. So the original list is printed and after removing the duplicates, the order is preserved. Fine. Similarly, you can also remove duplicates from list of dictionaries in Python using the same technique, list comprehension as well as using for loop. So here is a list of dictionaries. It contains 4 elements and the fourth element is a duplicate of the second element. Now using the same technique, duplicate is removed. So original list contains 4 elements and updated list contains only 3 elements, that is the unique elements alone. Fine. The next method is the fastest way to remove the duplicates from the list in Python. You can make use of dict.fromKeys method. It is a built-in function This will generate a dictionary from the keys which we have specified. Let's take the same previous example for list L1. Okay. This dict.from key takes two arguments, keys comma value, and value is an optional parameter. Here instead of the keys we are going to pass the list. Okay. So L2 is equal to, use dict.from keys method, two arguments. We are just going to pass the first argument L1. L1 is taken as keys. Since dictionaries cannot include duplicate keys, so this function will remove any duplicate elements from the list. Then we can convert this dictionary back to list using the list method. So list of dict.from keys of L1. Fine. This is the final output. Okay, we have also another option called ordered dict, which is available in collections module, collections.ordered dict. This also performs the same operation. It contains the from keys method, but comparatively operations on dict object are faster than operations on ordered dict objects. Okay, the next method is you can also remove the duplicates from the list using pandas. So in order to use pandas, we need to install pandas in your system first using the command pip install pandas in the command prompt. Then you need to import pandas as pd. Then we'll take this original list. Now we need to create a data frame. df is equal to pandas dot data frame. Creating the data frame with the column A. Column name you can give any name, with the column A which contains the list L1. Okay. Then in order to delete the duplicates from the data frame, we have this drop duplicates method. So df dot drop underscore duplicates method. Pass the argument in place is set to true. Means that it will remove the rows with duplicate values. So after this, you can convert this into list by using toList function. That is, the data frame column can be converted to list. Okay, so let me store the result in L2 equal to the data frame df of the mention the column name and then converting that into list. So dot toList method. Finally, you can just print L2. So it is comparatively slower when you are using pandas. This is the original list, and after removing the duplicates, we got this output. Okay. Then the last method is you can also remove the duplicate elements from the list using numpy library. You need to install numpy using pip install numpy and import numpy as np. Okay, numpy contains a unique method which will return the sorted unique elements of an array. The problem is it will return the sorted unique elements. Now let us see how to maintain the original order of the list. Okay, using the method np.unique. Here we are passing the list L1. In order to get the index, let me use this parameter. Return underscore index is set to true. So this will give you two outputs, the resultant array as well as the index. So let me store it in result and index. Let's check what is present in this result and index. Place this in comment. So this is the original list, and as we have used np.unique method, so it gives the sorted array after removing the duplicates, and this is the index position of each and every element. So in the original list, 2 is present at index position 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. It is present at index position 3, and 3 is present in the index position 2. 0, 1, 2. And similarly, 4 is present at index position 8. Okay. Based on this, we are going to preserve the order by making use of argsort method. Okay. So here L2 is equal to, you just have result of index dot argsort method. This argsort method will sort the array elements in the ascending order and will return index of the sorted elements. Okay. So we are using result of index dot argument sort. Then you can convert that to list using toList function. Fine. So we'll get L2 now. Now let's comment this. Okay, execute this. So using the NumPy, after removing the duplicates, the order is also preserved now. So when you compare pandas and NumPy is significantly faster and more memory efficient than pandas. Okay, so that's it about the different ways of removing duplicates from list in Python. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly share and subscribe.